Components of computer system. Introduction. In simple words, computers are machines that perform operations according to introduction given by user. A computer comprises of some symbolic elements. These elements include hardware and software. Computer cannot work without these elements. Let's take a look at hardware components in data list. Components of computer system. Components of a computer system are the primary elements which make its functioning smooth and faster. There are five basic components which include input devices, output devices, memory unit, control unit, arithmetical and logical unit. Input devices. A computer works according to the commands in introduction given to it. These commands can be given using devices that are called input devices. For example, using a keyboard, we can type things of one on a notepad and the computer progress the entered data and then displays the output on the screen. These introductions can be in the form of numbers, images, etc. We enter data using an input devices. The progresses units convict into computer understandable for and then the final result in received in a human understandable from some of input devices. Keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, scanner, microphone, optical character reader, OCR, barcode reader, keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input devices. It helps to input data into the computer. The logic of the keyboard is like that of traditional typewriter. Although there are some additional keys provide for additional functions. Keyboards are of two sizes, but now keywords with key or keys are also available. Mouse. Computer mouse is the most popular pointing device. It is a cursor control device having a small flame size box with a laser beam at its base which seasons the movements of the mouse and sends signals to the CPU when the mouse buttons are pressed. Generally, it has three buttons called the left, right, and scroll buttons. A mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor on the screen. Joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device. It is used to move the cursor position of a monitor screen. It is a stick having a physical ball at its both lower and upper ends. The lower spherical ball moves in a shocked. The joystick can be moved in all four directions. It is mainly used in playing games. Light pen. Light pen is a pointing device similar to a pen. It is used to select a menu item or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It consists of a photocal and and an optical system placed in a small tube. When the tip of a light pen is moved over the monitor screen and the pen button is pressed, its protocol seasons element detects the screen location and sends the signal to the CPU.